welcome back to my channel. Today we are back again with another recipe video. Today I'll be sharing with you recipe of making Rawa Kesari, which is a very popular dish in South India. It's usually served in breakfast time. So let's begin. So first I've put the pan to heat. Once it's hot, I'm gonna add in. So I'll be using in 1 cup of ghee, for which first I'll be taking in 1 spoon in the pan. Let it melt, to which I'll be putting in some finely chopped cashews and almonds. I also use raisins, but my children don't like, so I don't use it. So I'm gonna stir fry it till it becomes nice brown and crispy, and the ghee gets the taste of these dry fruits, which will be roughly about 1 to 2 minutes. Now you can see it's become nice crispy. So I'm going to take it out in a bowl. Once you have taken all the dry fruits out, I'm going to add in rest of the ghee and leave 1/3 in the bowl to be used at the end. Now that the ghee is hot, I'm going to add in 1 cup of semolina to it. The gas should be medium low and roast it on a medium low till the rawness of the semolina goes and you start getting a typical Rawa cooked smell of roasted Rawa. Meanwhile our Rawa is roasting, I'm gonna use one more vessel. Switch the gas on to medium low and add in 3 cups of water. I'm using the same vessel for using all the measurements. So I've used 1 cup of semolina, to which I'll be adding in 3 cups of water. Third cup. So you need to let it heat, and then I'll be adding in 3/4 cup of sugar to it and just let it melt. Just give it a nice mix. The main aim is just to let the sugar melt. To this I'll be adding in some orange food color, which is completely optional. If you want, you can add in, or if you want, you can completely skip it. Give it a nice mix and let the sugar melt. I have used powdered sugar. You can also use granulated sugar. It's up to you. So let it become hot. So here we are roasting the semolina. The gas is on medium low. Do not keep it on high heat, otherwise it will be getting brown very quickly and the rawness will still remain. So let it become a bit brown, not dark brown also, so that it's roasted nicely. Now you can see our semolina is roasted very well in ghee, and here our sugar syrup is also ready. You can see how nicely the sugar has melted. So at this point, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the sugar syrup to the semolina little by little. You have to be very careful when you're adding in. The gas is still on medium low, so little you start adding in and stir in at the same time. You have to add in little so that there is no lumps which has been formed. Be very careful when you are doing this. Keep the gas on medium low. I'm adding the water in 4 portions. This is one of the favorite dishes that I like to eat when I go to South India. Just make the way I've showed you. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy your breakfast. I'm not gonna say it's healthy. It has ghee and sugar, syrup and everything, which is not good for health, but it's very, very tasty. Once in a while, it's very tempting. You will not resist your one bite what you're eating. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it simmer and cook on a medium-low flame. Cover and cook it so that all the water, the sugar syrup, gets absorbed by the semolina. So I'm gonna cover and cook it. It will take about 10 to 12 minutes. You can see the semolina has cooked very nicely. It has absorbed all the water. The gas is still on medium-low, remember. At this point, I'm gonna add in. Here I've soaked a few strands of saffron in milk, so I'm gonna add in that to the Rawa Kesari. Quarter spoon of cardamom powder. Dry fruits that we had dry roasted them in ghee. Give it a nice mix. I can't tell you, the aroma of this Kesari Rawa is in my entire kitchen. Once you have mixed everything, I'm gonna add in the quarter cup of ghee that is left from the top. Give it a nice mix. You'll see the Rawa has started leaving the pan from the side. That means it's cooked very nicely. You can see how it's leaving the sides from the corner. So our Rawa Kesari is all ready. I'm gonna switch the gas off and do the plating and show you all. See how yummy and silky our Rawa Kesari has become. So I'm gonna do the plating and show you. So I've finally done the plating. Let me show you how it's turned out to be. That's our Rawa Kesari. Look how yummy it is. Looking delicious. Every bite, I'm sure it's gonna feel like heaven. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some in my plate. Just look how soft and melted the Rawa is. And it's cooked very nicely. I'm gonna take some in my plate with some cashews. Oh my god, it's just melting in my mouth. It's so tasty, guys. Try the way I've showed you. Always remember the ratio. It's 1:1:1:3 ratio. 1 cup semolina, 1 cup ghee, 1 cup sugar and 3 cups of water. Use the same measurement and you can enjoy the feel and taste of South India at your kitchen. Very tasty it's turned out to be. Very good. And usually in South India they offer this in breakfast. It's up to you. You can have it in tea time snack also. So you can enjoy it anytime, to be honest. When you're craving for sweet, you can make this quick and easy recipe at your home. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in your next video. Till then, be happy and stay smiling. Bye bye.